Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a particular tool that you can use to create music for your content and for your brand advertisement on social media and even on other media platforms. Join me. Let's look at this platform that can help you achieve what we call classical conditioning in marketing. Well, guys, so like I said in my introduction, this is the platform that I'm talking of. That is MusicCreator AI. It's an AI music generator, a lyrics generator, and an AI music platform that has many tools. Now, what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you how the platform works so easily. So now I'm going to take you through it. So when you get onto this platform using my affiliate link, which I am going to share in the video description, you can, as a matter of fact, be able to create music in a matter of just a minute, right? Depending on your internet speed. So you have type music you want to create here. You can either come here or come to this side. But the thing is, there is a paid version and the non-paid version. Now, let me show you how the whole platform works. So now you come to create music, and it's up to, you can create music up to 8 minutes with 100% royalty free music. So now let's go to create music. So now we're going to create music using this fantastic tool. So now what we're going to do is that we have two options, either to use a prompt or to use our own lyrics. And also the platform also has a lyrics generator that can generate the lyrics for you, right? So if you want the platform to generate the lyrics for you, you click on the lyrics generator here, add a prompt, and it generates the lyrics for you. So, but we're going to use a prompt. So now I'm going to type something here. So I'm going to type Fox Marketing Consultancy. Your number one marketing agency specializing in marketing, sales, social media, and digital marketing. For big and small companies, right? So the prompt will determine the type of output that will come. So make sure your prompt is very well captured. So you can decide to do it instrumental only by clicking on. If you want to click on this, it's really instrumental, but we're not going to do instrumental only. So now let's come down after the prompt. So now we'll come down to genre. So you choose a genre, whether you want hip hop, jazz, reggae, pop, R&B, EDM, country, folk, blues, classical, etc. But we're going to choose country. You choose the particular genre that reflects the tone and the personality of your brand and your target audience, right? And then we have the voice, vocal gender. So if you want male alone, if you want female, if you want male and female, so let's choose male and female. Now, so now choose the vocals. Now, mood, actually for me, the mood, I think, okay, I will choose mood. So I choose inspiring. That is, I'm not going to choose instrument. Okay, let me choose instrument. Okay, let me choose instrument. So I'm going to choose instrument. I'm going to choose, I like saxophone, so I choose saxophone. I'm not going to choose ambience. Okay, so now we have our prompt ready. We have all other settings. If you don't want it, you can clear from here by clicking on clear. And now we have other particular or other functions here, but let's first of all start generating the music. So you come down to this green button and then we click on generate music. So now music generation has started. You can see from here. So it's going to show here in the history. So these are other tracks I have created. So now let's come down. So I show you something. If you need ideas too, there are more. You can write an awesome rap, a rap generator that supports rhyme targets, different structures, and different personas. You can also turn your photo into music or create a happy birthday song. So it's not only for businesses, for individuals as well. You can create a happy birthday song for anyone, your lover, friend. You can also create a happy birthday song for your own company or even for your customers, right? So our music is basically being created. So from here you can see that music song is still generating 1 to 2 minutes. So it's going to be ready within 1 to 2 minutes. So let's wait for it to get generated. So now we have our music generated. So the speed of the music generation will depend on your internet speed as well. So now let's try the first one.
Social media, digital, big or small, Fox is the name you'll come to know, helping your business grow, grow, grow. From the corner shop to the city's heart,
they've mastered the business art.
Strategies clear, plans so tight,
guiding you through the darkest night.
Oh, they're the team you can trust, turning plans into gold from dust. Marketing, sales, they do it all. Social media, digital, big or small, Fox is the name you'll come to know, helping your business grow, grow, grow. With a saxophone singing.
So now we have our first track played. Let's try our second track. So you have 2 tracks generated per each prompt. So now let's try our next track. And don't forget to use my affiliate link. I'm going to leave in the description section.
Down the road where dreams take flight, Fox Consultancy shines its light. For the big dreams or the small, they're the ones to call. Marketing, sales, they do it all. Social media, digital, big or small, Fox is the name you'll come to know, helping your business grow, grow, grow.
Shop to the city's heart, they've mastered the business art. Strategies clear, plans so tight, guiding you through the darkest night.
Oh, they're the team you can trust, turning plans into gold from dust. Marketing, sales, they do it all. Social media, digital, big or small, Fox is the name you'll come to know, helping your business grow.
So we heard it all from the platform. So now 2 tracks generated, and you can also have access to the lyrics. So I'm going to do that, but now let me show you another thing. Now you can also remix and edit. So when you click here, remix and edit, you can do cover, extend, AI vocal remover, AI stem splitter. Another good thing is that you can also download your music once you are a paid user. If you're not a paid user, you cannot download the music and you will not get commercial licenses. But if you are paid, you also get commercial licenses to use the music anywhere and to even put it on music platforms. So it is for anyone who wants to create music, who's creating content, etc. It is the right platform. Use my affiliate link in the description so that you get to the right platform and as well get the best of value. So let's see if we can play new lyrics. So that's the lyrics. So you have the lyrics here. The lyrics here. It was the music. So you have the lyrics here that has been generated explicit. Right, so is it marketing, sales, they do it all. Social media, they get big or small. Folks, the name you will come to know, helping your business grow. So thank you very much, guys. This platform is what you need for your content, for your business, and for your music creation endeavor. Thank you very much. Use my affiliate link, which I'm going to put in the description. Thank you for watching. Now let's look at the price. So we're going to go to the pricing. So we have the free plan, but the free plan would not allow you to download, right? You will not be able to download the music. So you definitely need a starter pack or the hobby or the professional. So for a year, per month, it is $10.49 a month for the starter. For the hobby, it is $20.99. For the professional, it's $34.99. Monthly, $14.99 a month. For the starter, a hobby, $29.99, $49.99. With this, you can have access to, your music, download it, and as a matter of fact. But if you take the year one, you're going to have 30% off, and also going to have access to commercial license. So that is how the platform really works. So use my affiliate link that I've posted in the description of the video and as well as in my post. Click on it and it will take you safely. I want you to get to the platform safely, so click on the affiliate link and it's going to get you into the platform safely, and then you're going to get value. Thank you.